Alright, we got our nose shaved down pretty good, what we want here. Now we're going to work on this area in here and take some of this out. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. If you have any questions or comments, put in my comment section. I'll get back with you. Change this head out. Well, this one's fine. I want a coarser head. Got that, we're going to mark our cheeks, and you can find these at a craft store, which came in real handy. These are these little circles here, and these work really good for marking your thing out. That's a 3.5. This one, that's 2 1/8, and the middle one's a 3-inch. But I found these work really good because it's kind of hard to draw a circle on this wood. So we're going to go with this medium one. So that worked for that. And then I just cut them a whole bunch of different sizes. There we go. Say, these are just reference point for me, and it's not set in stone. So I'm going to go with a bigger burr here to round this down some. can see we're getting some roundness to it there. We want to mark this on this side and this side. And you just have to figure out what you want there, or how big you want it. You can start out big and make it smaller as you go. If you go too small, you can't make it bigger. Make this one a little bit bigger. And now we can take this out in here to further round down our cheek to see what we want. I got these two little blocks of wood here that'll go in here so I can put pressure on this end here, and that holds it pretty good. So we're going to take some of this out. Now I'll use my big burr here. See how this takes this out in here. So we're going to line out this other side, and you just want to start easy first and then go down deeper as you go along. So we're going to mark this side out.